Next time you cook chicken, try this, a complete recipe without using a pan. Let's start by covering 6 chicken drumsticks with warm water. Try this recipe at home and comment below what you think. Add the juice of 1 lemon, then leave the chicken to marinate for just 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the chicken and put it in another bowl. Season the drumsticks with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of mild paprika, half a teaspoon of turmeric, black pepper to taste, and 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Mix well to blend the spices to the chicken. Don't forget to let me know in the comments where you're from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following our recipes. We'd love to know. Now put the chicken drumsticks aside. In a baking pan, add 2 cups of rice, 1 chopped carrot, 1 chopped onion, half a chopped bell pepper, 1 cup of green corn, 1 cup of peas. Add as well mild paprika, turmeric, salt, black pepper, chives and parsley, and finally 1 liter of warm water. Please keep in mind that you can use your favorite spices. Mix well. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then share the video with your friends. It will help us greatly. Now add the chicken drumsticks in the baking pan. See how easy this recipe is? Basically, you just have to mix the ingredients and it's ready. After adding the chicken drumsticks, cover everything with aluminum foil and put it in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes. And our recipe is ready. Super easy, quick, and affordable. I'm sure you won't regret it. I hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.